This is the Nathan campus. It's one of the larger of the 5 campuses that Griffith University covers. We use eWater in basically all areas of cleaning where we used to use chemicals. So everything from mopping floors, we use eWater in our floor scrubbing machines, glass cleaning, stainless steel cleaning, pretty much everywhere that where previously we'd use a range of different chemicals, we can use the one product. My view is it really is the future of the cleaning industry. It's a key value for ISS that we really minimise our impact on the environment, and it's important. We're very conscious of the future of the planet and of our staff as well. I think that's one of the values that ISS shared with Griffith University, in that we want to create a safer future and a safer work environment, and the change that eWater can bring just to our work environment is huge, and it's really important for us as a business. From an environmental perspective, the reduced impact is really significant. Commercial cleaning, unfortunately, traditionally carries with it a high level of chemical use and a lot of different chemicals. So eWater, that's really the star of the benefits. The next one after that is cost, because it reduces the cost by a long shot. Our staff did take it up really quickly across all of the 5 campuses. I guess there was a level of scepticism to start with, but once they realised that this one product could do everything else, everything that all these chemicals previously were doing, it reduces the harm to them. They're not engaged with fumes just as a part of their work. They don't have to carry around 6 different products, they carry one product. It really makes life easier for them, and it's much more straightforward, and it makes their work environment a safer one.